Once again, ladies and gentlemen, people of the South, allow me to re-host Zoro Mjita, Oniki. My name is Israel Matseke Zulu, aka JP Ma Orange, the Ghetto Professor, King Manamone. My brother Shafida.
No man.
Welcome to the podcast, Israel Matseke Zulu podcast. Abantu ba requested, which is a good thing. Remember, this is a podcast for the people and by the people. It's like this philosophy, the customer is always right. Abantu mabacela something, we listen attentively, then we follow and demand and meet their demand. So, Besinawe,
Thank you.
your story is very inspiring, educational and motivational. It's building the nation. Siphuma eDanyani, masiphuma sesi-rehabilitated, senza into ezinhle, senza umsebenzi omhle, sivikele nalabo abangazi ukuthi mawulandela i-All Star ngendlela e-wrong kula uzolandela khona. So today's episode is about people want you to ask forgiveness and acceptance in a decent society.
Njalo.
Yeah, I think kula siqala khona yazi mawuzosindiswa ucela uxolo kuNkulunkulu uthi xolo uNkulunkulu ngonile mara manje sengizoba umntwana wakho olungile angiphinde ngenze lokho engikwenzile ngoba sengiguqukile manje ngishintshile. Then from your perspective, how would you ask forgiveness to the people?
Thank you bafowethu, mina igama lami nguNiki Manzini aka Zoro Mjita. Yabona lokho okukhulumako kweqiniso.
Yeah.
Because I've been there ngabona nami since ngiyemakhaya manje, ngovula amatshe.
Yeah.
For lentwana yami ebhodile elandela mina.
Okay.
Ngibonile i-movement yabo is no longer the same movement le mina ngiyijwayele.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngithole ukuthi somewhere somehow kunokuthi umuntu akusabe nokuthi akuncede.
Yeah.
That's why sometimes unokuluza into ezigrand ngenxa ye-bad influence obuya kiyo. Kuthiwa isanda awuthi libe iso uZoro kanje nakanje yabona. And abanye abamkeni uZoro bezwa bathi nale ntwana ezikhulayo azimkeni uZoro zizwa bathi yabona. At least namuhla mase bangibize ngibonga ungibize from King 2.
Yeah.
Ngizobatshela ukuthi uZoro ubani.
Yeah. Asiqale lapho ke sihlale straight endabeni.
Straight to the
limeziyetshela.
Yeah.
Ubani uZoro? UZoro phela akusi uNiki Manzini. UZoro Mjita.
Thank you.
Awusithatha usibeke ngoZoro.
uZoro, he came from kule story, kunesinye story bebathi Zoro noMajanja.
Yeah.
Besidlala kanje. Mntwana yenye beyivete yenye beyidark. Bathanda ukwenzani? Esigila almost. When we were about to school. So uZoro noMajanja. Mina benguZoro. Intwana elandela mina bekuHebzozo bathi uMajanja. So esikoleni mangibhizi sibheka iTV nginontwana ngoba besihlala siyithulu noHebet. Mangibhizi ngibheka iTV sibona uZoro. Ngithi abona lo Zoro lo kumele kube yimi wena ube uMajanja. Ngithatha that bad influence elapha kaZulu yabona sesiyenza sesayipractice nginontwana masibhizi ngiyipractice kanje ngihlukumeza ini umphakathi angiboni mina ukuthi ngihlukumeza umphakathi in that time ngangithola sengibhizi manje Zoro uZoro uhluphe kakhulu mfethu ya uZoro yedwa wathi manje ngize ngibuye ejele sengibuya sekuZoro Mjida ya uZoro uhlukumeze kakhulu uZoro ukuthi manje beyakhona ukungena ethaveni avala ithaveni beyakhona ukuthi isikolo singenile asikhiphe isikolo uyayibona and manje that time ijele belingekho ngicabanga ukuthi ngizoboshwa ilento ngiyenza ukuhlukumeza abantu kwazi abantu ngiyimimese ngangithola living my own life ngifuna ukuba iboss eKaslami and ngagcina ngiyiyo ibossa but lobo bossa lobo baseKasi bagcina bongithatha bongifaka ejele ngezinye indlela because manje kusuka emakhaya ngize ngapha it was different emakhaya la kusejuzi uZoro la yekho and uZoro abamkini so kumele ngenzeni kumele ngibakhombe ukuthi sekunoZoro mangibakhomba ukuthi nala eKasi sekunoZoro ke manje ingenzani ngithatha ke manje ngifaka emota yeah that's my story about Zoro yeah
so okay bengene emathaveni ngiyayifostara le vibe ira yethu esikhule ngayo kuke kufike nje abogulu abangene ethaveni zonke phansi mantombazana khumulani bekwibhavu la kuthelwa amabhiya thiwa amantombazana geze mabacethe ukugeza bathi madoda aphuzane thathwe cwebe
yayibona
thathwe imali hlukumezwe they influencer yini nani
bangathi mina nginakile ukuthi be-influencer yini ukufuna ukubonakala kufuna kumele kubonakale ukuthi umuntu osose kakhona yabona nokuthi bakufile abantu mawufikile endaweni people they can feel you ukuthi ukhona khumbula elinye scenario kunelinye Grootman lapha bebathi umafia futhi manje lapha kule scheme bekunenye indawo bathi kunama black ninja leza intwana bezihlukumeza strong eKasi besihlukumeza kakhulu bezirapers bulala shaya abantu emathaveni yabona so ngasho ukuthi uZoro ubuya lapha because le ntwana masibizenza lezi zinto zihlala kuleli lokishi mina ngihlala ngapha manje masibizi ziyenza lento mina ngiyithanda mara nami ngenza into embi yabona mara lezi zona eziyenza ngathi hayi asithi le ntwana lezi ziyabheka uZoro akakhawathele intwana sekayicala kuba yini kuba yabona musempini emakhaya kunale impinyana lezi encane igodinyana yabona amajita ngapha abanye ama-BBF amanye impini yabona sisiyaqala ke mase siyaqashana kunama black ninja nama-black ninja yiwo abantu bahlupha kakhulu eKasi yabona singaqala ngiqashana nale ntwana zama-black ninja ke mase ngiqashana nale ntwana zama-black ninja ubuningi bazo ziyakhawatheka ubuningi bazo ziyayekela uba black ninja ezinye ziyabhoda ezinye zemajele nami sengiyakhawatheka yabona khumbuleni impi ya 2000 ngathi ngikhumbule 2099 la ukhila azogcina ankhawathekisana silwa nama black ninja yo ngathi after that scene ngathi lempilo umuntu ayiphila kakusiyo bengiqala ukubona isine kanje ukuthi manje that travel was full kunenye travel bathi Lancaster just full gcwele kanje lempilo icala lapha ama black ninja ayalwa aluswe ezinye intwana la ngaphakathi thina ngeke sizwe ngama black ninja mase ngeke sizwe nama black ninja yenzani ienga yakhuphuka at the same time sekungena ngaphakathi kuphula amabhodlela kuvela ibhamu abantu bagwazana kuvela amaphanga abantu baphuma amathumbu baphuma indle kwamoshakala that day early in the morning sekuvela iveni yamaphoyisa ke manje yenzani idobha nga11 nga11 kusho ukuthi uyiZolo bowubukele iZolo wenzeni silonke igama lakho malikhona kuthiwa nobani bekakhona dotshwa nga11 yabona mase siyagcina sesiyaboshwa ngobuningi bethu bele manje abanye noma umuntu angenzanga next sekaboshiwe ntwana nawe bokhona nawe bokhona yabona ngathi manje setrial ngathi yabona time man lempilo umuntu ayiphila kakusiyiyo le eso bheka manje sengenza i-oli kumele usuke from Binoni drive le Limpopo ngoba lezo ukuthi umntwana wakhe sekaboshiwe and then ubheke ukuthi umntwana wakhe usesigele mara manje akasisesigele sekasejele yayibona ke manje
already ngiyenzeka ngama age wakho wesigele
ngama age wami esigele
so emadladleni ubuya kuphi
ngibe Limpopo esihlagwane 1047
oh lezi zinto bezenzeka lapha eLimpopo
lapha eLimpopo yabona lozoro usuka from there yayibona and nalaba abakhula abamkini ngizokubona namanje noma ngiyemakhaya umuntu ezoro ngiyabona ukuthi esandla egama awuthi ngishintshe ngithi Zoro Mchita kusho manje mangisithi Zoro Mchita ngisho ukuthi amachita zwakala ngingasabi nala gap uthola ukuthi mangifikile endaweni umuntu ngokuna rumors amaningi umyeni umizokhuluma into ayifuna
igama elingasuleki
yayibona alisuleki
mara manje solisebenzisa in a positive manner.
Thank you.
Yeah, iphilosophy yami leyo ukuthi let's use the same plug. Let's ispanisile ngokwenza into ezi wrong. Senze into ezi right.
Senze into ezi right.
Kufuneka the same energy, the same strength.
Thank you.
It's all about ukuthi uyachoose i-gift siphiwe. Mara i-gift uyachoose ukuthi ufuna ukuyisebenzisa kanjani. We are musicians, we are actors, you choose ukuthi noma music wami ngifuna kube music oyenza abantu bathandane or abantu balapheke or abantu bafunde emhlabeni. Or so manje you have chosen ukuthi Zoro originally lo beka on the wrong side of life kube uZoro Mchita ohlanganisa amajita ababonisa into ezigrand.
Thank you.
Let's talk to the young ones, those who are still following the old Zoro. Yini message obaphathele yona?
Yeah, and baningi. Those young ones enlandela uZoro, lo wakudala uZoro Mchita. UZoro lo wakudala ugcina ahlukumezeka kakhulu empilweni, agcina sekabhrike emajele, ngamelanga angene nasejele, ahlukumeza abazali, ahlukumeza umphakathi. Agcina ngasathandiwe nawo umphakathi. Yayibona gcina sekuba yini kuba yi-enemy but manje all I can say kibo leave the bad thing, go to the good thing ngoba manje yazi into enhle bafiwa abantu abayithandayo, into embi the most abantu bayithanda ngiyathola mangathi nalo ngeke kulamule wonke umuntu omuntu ufuna ukubona ukuthi ngeke namshaya sifuna ukubona
kanti umuntu
uyafa isikhathi leso lo mshayako umshayine wrong place.
Why ination enjalo mawucabanga njengawuthi evuthiwe manje rehabilitated
yazi why ne to prove a point leto ukuthi to prove a point yabona ukuprove a point sometimes ukhuphukisana i-enga komunye umuntu and wena ungazibhekanga ukuthi loya muntu ungamkhuphulisa i-enga. It's like the way ku last broadcast now ngokutshela ngokuthi uyafika eKasi bathi uZoro lo wena ufika uthi uZoro nyana wakhona lo so mawuthi uZoro nyana wakhona lo yaZoro ufuna ukwenzani ufuna ukuprove uGP ukuthi ejogcwala lo Zoro makathi gcwala lo Zoro uzoyenza ukhuphula i-enga, you start making wrong things. At that time kuyagcwaliselwana and that life at the most very much impilweni yamanje the most amajita philwa leyo mpilo leyo yabona sintswele ngilako le broadcast leziningi into engizibonile ezishintshako hayi ukuthi only ngibheka le broadcast there are another broadcast amanye ngiwabhekayo ngicompare yabona yeah nezinye izinto akumelanga thina sibulala umphakathi at the end ngale msebenzi esiwenza ngoba namanje masifike kanje how many abantu abasibhekile bayilalele lento mina nawe siyikhuluma manje tomorrow uyayithatha lo yamuntu wenza something ngale nto mina nawe siyikhuluma uyaphumelela omunye akaphumeleli sikhuluma the bad influence kumphakathi wonke kusasa kwenzakalani bayithathe ku ma orange no Zoro.
Kwenzeke lezi zinto lezi ngene emathaveni kwatshisa abantu nibaba abantu inkonzo yini amanye ama-activists are wrong benowayenza within that area
yo ukushaya abantu
shabantu so kwaza abantu abayingaki
yo on that time uZoro angazi ukwazi abantu abayingaki on that time ayakutshela iqiniso angazi
uke wabholisa umuntu
never
never ne
never
uke lo kwazana ukuthi yes wala skipping
uZoro wafunda ukuthi umuntu which hole do you play abantu bamanje ukapa bayikini mina bengihlezi ngihamba ne3 banners 2 banners and a 2 star la ukapa bengazi mangukuhlaba endaweni eso uzosukuma mangukuhlaba endaweni eso uzolala mangukuhlaba endaweni eso ungagijima ugcine kuphelele endaweni eso mara manje youth they don't know kwaza kuphela akwazi la ku wrong call that's why manje ugcina sekubona abantu ababhaya ababhola
I think they don't even have to know
yeah they don't have even to know umuntu
umgwaza la
it's wrong
it's completely no
wrong.
no
yeah
umese nje awufuneki umese okuhlaba imbuzi nokuhlaba imvu nokusika ikhumba usetshenziswa for lezo zinto lezo hayi for kwaza isikhumba somuntu
akumele uhlale nasesikhwamini kahle kahle kuwe
and then abokhata bebakuphi leso sikhathi
abokhata bebakhona
yeah
abokhata bebakhona on that time ne
yeah
mina ngihlala la iStrat ipolice station
lezinto zenzeka la police station
police station and some of them they scared bamsaba uZoro bamsaba kakhulu uZoro
yeah
bamsaba ngisho namaphoyisa bamsaba uZoro because uZoro wenze the bad things that's why ezinye ngisazikhumbula ezinye ngazikhumbula that's why bathi nibuye esihlagwana ngizoqolisa yangithola
yeah so intwana manje uzikhonjile lezi ezifuna ukukhula ngale influence ezingazi ukuthi icale kuphi ene yakhoswa yini manje how do you apologize to the victims their parents abazali balabantwana abasale bakhubazeka nalaba osale wabahlukumeza
I was planning le yabona
yeah
ukuthi I have to make nje a time ngifike esikolweni ngicele principal abomanamela kune principal athi abonamela ejeje yabona almost ijeje esikolweni kumele ngiye lapha kulesi sikolo assembly time and just motivate nokukhuluma nabo bambone lo Zoro bamuzwe lento ayikhulumayo bangayithuli indleleni yabona bamuzwe ukuthi uZoro nani manje uZoro is willing to do this ubuya la wenze 1 2 3 yamphelelisa la
that's for the kids ne
yes
and kwenzeke labanye abantwana they are not part of the victimized families and then to the elders ke people of our generation intanga zethu nalaba abadala kithi abomalume babo abomamncane abomamkhulu aborakhadi ama-cousin okay lesikele ngiyayibona that's the future generation le ozokukhuluma nabo the families of the victims ngibheka isikhathi time frame and ngiyazi ukuthi futhi at the same time mara ngifuna ukuzwa kuwe ngiyazi ukuthi sizoyivala kanjani leyo department leyo mara from the horse's mouth your own perspective nayi platform bayakuthanda yebo bathi sinokubiza bayalibona ushintsho kuwe ugaya platform nabo basimamele manje khona umama umamele kodwa yathena mshimano tena osala ahlaba matombe
thank you
Yes.
lapho uqinisile lapho
yeah
all the parents and family baningi engabahlukumeza and baningi engihlukumeza emafamily wabo nabantwana babo but only go to mothers and family I can't say sorry kwinto engidlule kizo into ongayisho ngathi dudu kuko konke nambe ngenziwa umntwana nepride nokubelonga somewhere but manje uZoro ushintshile the most sebangibonile kancane ukushintsha there is no mean ukuthi kumele ubhale ukuthi ngiyashintsha
Mhm.
sikubona ngawo ngezenzo
Ngezenzo.
zakho ukuthi hayi man
Yeah.
this time since akuyini 1 2 3 uyenzile nabanye abazali bangibonile nawo ngisho sebakubonile ukuthi hayi nangu lo mntwana lo bekasigwaza nangu lo mntwana wagwaza umntwana wami yabona mara manje ngiyambona sekashintshile ngivumeleni ngishintshile.
Yeah, it's easy to say I've changed, but to really change, it's a process.
Yes, the process.
It's practical.
Yo.
And then
That's the main Lord.
what are the spears or the elements you've loaded to sharpen yourself and make people believe what you feel solace, you regret? Yini ama-activity owayenzela abantu as part of paying your dues? I understand you went to prison, going to prison, you paying your dues.
Yeah.
Ufele izono zakho zenzile emphakathini, that's why you are arrested and went to prison. Maybe there's extra things that you are doing that prove remorse to the decent society.
Alapho ushaya isikhona straight. Yeah, there are some plans
Yeah.
engibaplanele bona esihlakwana engiwayenzako. Ngisese in process ukuthi ngibone ukuthi ngabe lezi zinto ziyophelela. Yeah, and bazobona nabo ukuthi isani nje is a thank you. Futhi manje ngalezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo kunezinye izinto engiplan ukuthi ngizenze. Namanje ngizoshift i-address yami.
Yeah.
Ngihlala emakhaya.
Yeah.
Mangiyohlala emakhaya.
Yeah.
So kumele kube na something engihlala phezukwayo. Kumele kube na something engiphila ngayo. Kumele kube na something e-improvewayo ekhomba ukuthi ucalela manje sekala. That's why ukuthi manje mangiyoya le okuningi bazokubona. Yabona? Ngeke ngithi ngwenza 1 2 3 4.
Yeah.
Okuningi bazokubona ukuthi ushilo yazi wathi uzosenzela 1 2 3. Ngangithola. uNkulunkulu anganginika amandla lokho ngikuplanile ayi kuzoyenzeka.
No, uNkulunkulu sekakunikile. Ngoba singabantwana bakaNkulunkulu sonke. Usebenzisa wena ukuze isizwe sakhe kube isizwe esihle esenza into ezinhle. Ngibuza ngamabomu le question ngoba siyafana. Ngingahlukumezanga umphakathi, mina ngihlukumeza abelungu. Induku zami engazithatha mangise Sun City naseModapi. I-gumboots, i-acting, ukuya ezikolweni, ukunikela kweshumi akusukukhipha imali phese okunyonika umfundisi ukuthi ngiyanikela kweshumi ukuthi ngiyongena ezulwini. Ngomsebenzi esiwenzayo siyanikela. Ngiyekile izinto bezicabanga ukuthi siyazithanda ezisijabulisayo, yazi ukufika erawundini uvula ikara yongamla leso simele nawo amazazi ama-Ray-Ban nawo ama-18 current. It was nice, but ngisacrificeile ukuthi angisazifuni impilo. Ngigijima straight, ngiyathenga engikwazi ukuthenga, engingakwazi angikwazi ukunikela lokho. Yizo induku zami, imikhonto yami ke le engikubuze yona ukuthi what are the tools that you've loaded to sharpen yourself, to prove to the state and society ukuthi you feel remorse and you are asking forgiveness and acceptance in the society.
Yeah.
Lama activities la ukhuluma ngawo zobayenzela wona.
Yeah.
Yimikhonto yakho le. Izinto oyiphethe ukuthi hayi bafowethu imikhonto ekhipha igazi phansi. La induku kaMoses la. Engizolida isizwe ngayo ngenze okuhle emphakathini.
Yeah, and kuningi because last ngathi mangila la magama wangitshela wona suke ngawenza.
Yeah.
I even register my own company.
Yeah.
Sing
Good. Pause a bit. Before we get there, ulandela ukucelwa abantu. Which crime have you committed that landed you in Modapi prison?
Ngenze a house robbery and house arrest.
Yeah, haze roof. Yeah, house arrest. It's haze roof with Africans.
Yeah, haze roof.
Yeah, crime engulube.
Yeah.
Futhi wena awumeli nokuthi bahambe ufike unyonyobe. Ungena bakhona.
Kanti la ngivele ngimosha khona kokugcina.
Yeah.
Yabona le crime leyo. Bengingazimisela ukuyenza.
Yeah.
Isitshile ukuthi abekho labantu. Kahle besisitshile ukuthi abekho.
Yeah, ngiyoshaya edlala.
Siyashaya, siyaphuma.
Kanti bakhona. Wakhosta ukuthi manje emeleni babambe.
Sekumele akusanajika neplan. Sekumele sibabambe, sibabophe, sibashiye bathayithi, siphume. Ngikhalela kule trauma babanayo the days fika bangacabanganga ukuthi esaba. Labantu laba today soboshwa soyikhoma ngebhamu. Siboshwe sishiye singenye indlela roughly. That crime and
nebayenzeni mani babamba.
Sivele sabakhoma ngebhamu. Sababopha. Sababekela esayitini, sasebenza indlu. Ceda saphuma sahamba.
So niboshwa kanjani?
Siboshwa ngokuthi kunenye awuthiyami bathu mafia. Kule plot besobashayakile. Bathi abafika ama CID. Wathola mina ngifikile ngizoscout ukuthi ngabe indawo injani. Kanti umafia ungibonile mangifika emini. Yayibona? Ama CID makazofika babamba ubani umafia bamthela induku. Because ngoba ungathi umafia uyaziwa.
Yama habitual criminal.
Thank you.
So bayazi makugangwe umgango oso. Umuntu osoma kube ungaphandle. Uyo uzositshela uzosinika umkhondo ukuthi
noma kanjani.
Is either uye. Or uyazi
ukuthi
isystem abayisebenzisa.
Yabona bathi basebenzisa leyo system bathola ukuvela nami engiyalandele. Babamba umafia umthela induku umafia confess uthi hayi la kusiyini. Bathi ubani sitshele ke. Athi la Zoro noThabo. Enhle ukuthi abazange amkhiphe ukhiphe uZoro.
uZoro sekaza khipha uThabo.
uZoro sekaza ukhipha uThabo uyabona. But ukhiphe uThabo la hlala khona. Kuthi uThabo uhlala endaweni so endaweni so. Hayi amaphoyisa athi hayi yeke njalo. Thina ngama patrol ngabo 3 tatabusa sozama ukumfuna lo Zoro sibuye naye. Bathi makudala tatabusa ngabo ma2. It was on Thursday. Ngizwe nje bagugu umnyango manje ubani ngaguru. Bathi ngefastele ngathola kukhanyisa itoshe text hambe emnyango. Yabona ukuthi sana indlu yosurroundile la. Akuna plan umuntu angaphuma ngiphuma vela naba boba.
Washaya ngakhi 15 years.
I-robbery nginika 13. I-house robbery nginika 13.
Oh, it's robbery and house robbery.
So lama case
13
26. Ay hamba ndoda nayi 26 years. Angayehle emgodini ebhini. Mangicede ukuyehla ngiphethe elinye lo yabathi uBoard. Angiyamtshela eBoard angeke. Imali engake ephelile mfethu ngapha bangishaya nga13 ngapha bakushaya nga13 athi awungawani. Letha la athi nginika amanye amaphepha agcwalisa la athi hayi on to it was Ngojuwe Thursday. Ngojuwe Thursday athi Monday uzobuya la ekhona. Nithi athi ngitampe ngicabanga ukubhala aphili ngithathe ne-transfer vele draft. Uthi awungawari Monday uzobuya la ekhona. Ngithi akuna stress. Angehle mara ukuthi manje uthi akuna stress. Ayasho 26. Achuze nabamshaya nga13 kuphela. Hayi akuna stress. Angiyehla. Moda Friday, Saturday, Sunday ukudla kungena hayi. Mina ngiyathi 26. Abanye mangitshela hayi uhamba uyele ukopa hayi hamba uye kuphi soncenga isigwebo noma ula emoda vele sokukhawathi uyabona
Yeah.
hayi Monday ngezwa manje Nicky manzini wathi indoda kumele uye court kanti awungasitshelanga ngito son court and bashilo bathi Monday kumele ngize court bathi asami phuma vele ngawuma 10 mangifika eBinoni uyafika ubhoti yakhe endoda beka manje la i13 ne13 le 1 e13 igwenyele enye13 usele nge13 e1 ushaya concurrent yini manje concurrent mina
zamba zonke
yabona sengicala ngichazisela so nangapha ufike late azangene nase court
yeah bavele bayisetlela out of court
yeah wabona mina mase ngifika ngingalenza suyeza ubhoti indoda ufike late mina ngihamba ngendaweni so yabona mina ungathenda case bheka sewenza so shaya i2 ngiyalibuza le khadi manje lo umtshela ngeconcurrent uhambe emoda bazokutshela ayisengiyavule ngiyafunda namaphepha yazi mawucela ukugwetha ucela ukushaya i2 phakathi banakunika le phepha la ukhombisa ukuthi hamba kanjani isigwebo uyabona ngiyibona ngiyifunda
yasikushadizi phela utronkekile
ngisatronke 26 years
ngiyabuyela bakubuza nokubuza ukuthi khona into ofuna ukuyikhuluma before yehla mgodini unombuzo udizi lezo sikhathi awana
mawucela ukufika emgodini uthi singabe ngithini bangibuzile le phezulu
good fast forward so gwetshiweke manje uyoshizela ke manje
Modapi prison shaye 13 ke
ufike waphakamisa inombolo
fike ngaphakamisa
ngesasesentwendaga
28
nongolozo make
yeah hayi manje
Paul Mambazo indoda emnyama funga ngegazi Morten Robert alright phakamisa inombolo ngifuna singene ku something khona into engihlangane nayo yangicela something inombolo ngiyasingawe iza kanjani ifomeke kanjani inombolo kuze kube nenombolo nje emadanyana emhlabeni wena nje from your experience mawucabanga
mina from my experience nale ngiyitholile i-experience inombolo bekuthi iwoshwa zikhona ukuba ne-communicating language ukuze ukuthi amaphoyisa masikhuluma bangasizwa nomuntu okula kule nombolo sizwana sisodwa ongasikho la kule nombolo ngeke akhone ukusizwa and we can rule the prison with this thing ngomthetho oso yabona
yiko bathi nishaya umthetho
yiwo bathi ukushawa umthetho ene mawungathi uyayilandelela kahle inombolo into ukuthi manje edlala ngengqondo yakho asicale la uhlulwe umthetho wabazali bakho wakufaka ejele
manje nawo umthetho wamadoda ngaphakathi
uzokwenza uyayibona ke manje
according to my understanding inombolo yafomelwa ukuthi nikwazi ukucommunicate into zenu njengamadoda aboshiwe ukuze amabhunu angawuzwa ukuthi nikhuluma
nani niyakhuluma mara nizwakala.
And then on another perspective masi research sithola ukuthi yafoma amabhunu dividing rule politically black on black violence
ngisahlangane nayo le ukuthi izifoma amabhunu bebenzelani ukuze ukuthi nabo lawo mabhunu bakhona ukwenza izinto zabo ejele yiko amabhunu amaningi ngizoyisho straight yiko amabhunu amaningi mama big 5
amabhunu nawo ayaphakamisa amaphoyisa kahle nawo ayaparticipate kunombolo
yiko nokuthola iphoyisa elishabo nebelisebenza ejele close to 30 something to 40 something likhuluma isitariana uyasomisa nasejele umunye uyi-rough trade mari uyiphoyisa uyakhona umzibuza ukuthi mara le phoyisa leli
iphoyisa
elinjani elikhuluma inombolo
libhantiti
kusho ukuthi mali lebhantiti
yashizela
yayibona ke
and liwest lona lishaya ijazi lishaya idili kajele ngoba ngeke liphume at least wena usazophuma lona is forever
yabona ukuthi manje lela phoyisa selenzeni selikhondeme ke west ukudlula wena uzophuma lona liphuma likhondemekile futhi manje naso selishaya inombolo lingazimiselanga ukuthi lishaya inombolo eje lisitshele ukuthi hayi man athi leza intwana leza ngoba ngijwayele leza ama-26 seka yi-26 ngijwayele leza ama-28 seka yi-28 nayo yabona and kube good that eniyenzani ikhawatha yena inside
kusho ukuthi it's like angeke usebenze ngababulali ungabe umbulali another way
vele njalo
it's like your investigator is serial killer you are a psychologist or a psychiatrist you're dealing with human mentality kusho ukuthi in another way you might be part of that
because if you're not part of that means ufundile ngayo kancane unalo ulwazi
kusho ukuthi mangingayosipana eSterfontein ngidila ngabantu abamagazinayo ngazithola sengimagazina
angithi wena uzitshelani ukuthi hayi asithini awuthi ngizama ukuba comic nibe bangibona ukuthi nami ngimngane wabo lento ayezenzako noma afika eminyango ibondeni afika kokode lapho wena uzothi come in wenzela ukuthi akhona ukusuka kulo yamnyango anyway nama uthi come in mabe yambona lo muntu kokota ebondeni so kusho manje nawe uyabona ukuthi lento yenzani uyaheda kancane
nawe usoya magazina kahle so abokhata abasedanyani yini involvement yabo in participation enombolweni bayenzani ngasikhathi ushezela la ngiyewala ngiyihata le 28 ngenzani kuma 28 ngena kanjani ningisebenzisa kanjani
ngendlela eyiningi ngoba basebenzisa ngendlela eyiningi
kusho anything eniyenza maybe la ngifuna umese namhlanje uzofaka
kumela ufaka ngithi
ubrigade
and uza kuwe leyo 50 rand wena onayo wena usala nga 25 rand 25 rand yakuyo umenzelani isikhaftini
na intwana ngifuna ukuyivuthela uyakwazi ukuyisondeza
sekayishintsha kule section sekayisa kwenye section isikhipha kule cell sekakhona ukuyifaka kule cell
angithi manje yazi why ngi-unfolda kanje ngifuna the viewers abantu ababhekelele bayi-understand lento ukuthi nale day ayodecide ukuyenza or naku kuba yiwala umunye usesikolweni manje usetraining usecollege azi ukuthi uhlangane ne-information efana nale ukuthi makangaba yi-one yalabantu laba in future kule career yakhe at least sesim-informile
kunjalo
kuzoba yi-inform whatever decision azoyenza uyoyenza ane-information it's very important for mina si-unfold lento so that people must understand siyabona abantu bagcuma siyabona ku-social media abanye bafineraleni home up sit hey squat hey abantu phela abazazi umuntu ongazaboshwa ongafani nami nawe
understand
akafrostani ukuthi yini inombolo how nombolo was formed have you ever heard about inombolo emining angithi emining ukusebenza amajita bathatha intwana zaku 18 14 20 something le emakhaya ziyosipana emgodini emining angithi nasemining vele kuyasodomizwa lapho mase sesibeka nina yini information yakho oyaziyo about inombolo emining
I don't have much information but mina ngokwazi kwami yabona la more than 4 5 6 to 10 yamajita nahlala there will be a lingo kuzoba ne language enizoyisebenzisa noma ningabhekanga ukuthi leyo language nisebenzisa is part of inombolo nina ngeke niyitshele ukuthi nenza inombolo notshela ukuthi i-communication language yethu yala ngaphakathi emayinini kusho thina singamaZulu sikhuluma kanje nakanje nakanje la ngaphakathi emayinini masiphuma ngaphandle sikhuluma kanje lase-hostel la kunamashita aphaya khona bakhuluma kanje kanje nakanje nakanje angisho almost inombolo thina size sibize ukuthi inombolo ngoba kusejele nala ngaphandle akhona abantu abayisebenzisayo inombolo bangaboni
mara abanyekho aware ukuthi
basenombolweni bangokho aware ukuthi hayi la
inombolo yangaphandle hayi inombolo yasedanyana. Angithi manje mayini mina mase sengiresearcha le nge-information encane engiyitholile. Labo baba bashiya abafazi emakhaya and then basemayinini bazosifana bazogubha igolide bazoyenza imali. And then angithi biologically abantu ama-hormones wethu awalingani nama-tissues. Abanye balose, abanye abakwazi ukuzibamba, abanye basave i-marriage. Then that is how it's formed. Kube nalaba ababhayisisekayo baphendula butsheli khona lapha emayinini.
And uye lo ozomphendula utsheli lo baba lo uye oze naye la.
Yeah.
Agcina sekamenzisa into eso because he knows background yakhe. Angithi uze naye ngalwathi na umsebenzi.
Yeah.
And nasekabona intwana ayingenile kahle intweni ayithaya imali emshaya ngomcondo. Na lo yabona udamara is nothing.
Yeah.
Kanti uyakhawatheka.
Got nothing to lose. Akamithi.
Uyakhawatheka that time.
And
at the time
emotionally, spiritually and psychologically.
Too much.
Bese nayo indlulisa.
Nayo uyayidlulisa mase kayidlulisa ke manje sekuyini lento. Uyabona ukuthi manje
Yeah, inombolo.
Ayipheli.
Ukuthi it's a let go of struggle. It's like a revolving door. It's like escalators in the mall. Angithi yabona ama escalator hamba so up down into engapheli nje. Kufana nenja igijimisa umsila wayifuna ukubamba mara yobambi.
Yiko bazamile bathi abakhiphe uprisoner uniform bafake correctional bathi bavala inombolo emajele ingasashaya umthetho amanye ama-section akukhulunywa inombolo bakuzikhuluma inombolo bakuthatha bokuvalela emakhulu bazamile.
Ngiye ngaya eBavijani ukuthi ngilikhohlile igama akusase i-correction angazi bayibizane lapha ukuthi yini to promote a positive lifestyle and to bring effective change. Okay, manje let's talk about your construction.
Yeah.
Let's talk about something positive. At least we've informed the deformed.
Nalabo bangazi sebayazi ukuthi isani kunento eso mangigcina ngenza into eso ngigcina ngishaya inombolo ongazimisela.
Yeah, at least isigelezi akufani.
Akufani.
Yeah.
Thank you.
A fellow of faith is better than nothing. So, asigene ku construction.
Yeah.
Yeah, construction yakho iphusha kanjani?
Hayi ngiyancenga.
Uyancenga ne?
Ngisancengile ku construction.
Yeah.
Noma ngisebenza 2 weeks in, 2 weeks out.
Yeah.
Yabona amajita ngisancengile ngisasiphusha grand. Gcine nami ngibona ngidaya sithini. Tachalo ugcina daya indoda. Do your own.
Yeah. Njengoba ngikubekile ngasikhathi la the first time ukuthi no mangibhekile umuntu onjengawe kuze usurvive emhlabeni ku right sikhulisaneni angeke ube i-employee forever. You must be also an employer. So bakunikile le opportunity.
Bakunikile sekumanje sekuyimi ke manje.
Yeah.
And manje ngithi mangicela ukuregister icompany yami. Ngihlangane nama opportunity abhaya. So ngihlangana nenye my sister omunye ngagcina ngihlangana nenye intwana uTumelo.
Yeah.
Manje uTumelo mina nginayo machine yokwenza ama plan.
Yeah.
I can draw a plan but I don't have equipment.
Melo sebenzela equipment.
Yeah, yabona. So mangiskima uTumelo got equipment. Ngithola sesebenzisana ukuthi manje
sengithe skill wena.
Yeah.
Uphethe equipment.
Yeah. And then I unaso skill but not modern.
Yeah.
Mina sengifika naye manje sesenza iplan from scratch approve uphethe ama connection via ngale ku housing sesenza iplan from start.
Yeah.
Everything seyicede sokunika yona iplan yakho iapprove imnandi.
Or it's like manga buy stand no somewhere nje open land. Now buy stand ngiphethe nje imali angazi next yini ningishayile plan.
Sokushayela iplan ngikutshela ukuthi la kule plan yakho igarage izodla ngake idina so yodla ngake idina material so amasenke ukhankuthele yonke le ngokutshela ukuthi bese iso yokucost imali engaka.
Yeah.
After that imali labor ile yami ke imali.
Manje mawuthola ujack of all trade ke ama self-made people who are born intelligent. Yawuthi ekwazi ukuzishayela iplane nje ekutshela ukuthi no mina ngifuna into eso iroom lami ngilifuna la mara akayanga esigela for that. Usebenzisana naye kanjani?
Awona umuntu onjani lo at least lo ke manje ukwenza ijob yami ibe
Easy.
Yeah, ngoba uyangitshela athi ngifuna kanje nakanje la wenze kanje nakanje leli room lenze so sengiyamtshela ukuthi awu mina la ngokuthatha imali eblabor la uzofuna imali eso ngoba wena uzothi extenda la nala asenze so uyangichazela ungenzela leyo rough sketch ayifuna mina ngithatha la rough sketch ngiyenza into reality ngiyayithatha ngiyamkhiphela nginika yona
ngokona le construction yakho ngiyazi ukuthi you might have a vision. I'm not sure. Do you have a vision ukuthi yini vision yakho ngokuba na le company? Ufuna ukuyibona ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani kahle ngayo beside nje ukwenza inyuku personal wenza imali wenzela abantwana bakho uthenga imoto udle kamnandi. Do you have a vision?
Strong one. I-vision yami in this construction mangakhonakala uNkulunkulu anginika amandla ngale ndlela mina engifuna ngayo. I want ukuthi manje ngenza ama branch via this construction. Ngenza ama branch. Ngithole nala amajita la, azi kunamajita anokubuya emadanyana, ane skill. Uyifundile lento kancane. Makafika la ngaphandle akasatholi lesa sikhathi bekasithole edanyana. Sekayiluza lento kancane. Bese uyabuyela.
Uyarelapse.
Uyayibona ke manje. So abantu abanjalo bengathanda ukusebenza ngabo kakhulu. Kuthi manje amajita laba neskill ngabathatha improve iskill entwana ngene usebenze ngapha kuba ama country enye iseBloemfontein enye kuphi enye kuphi yabona siyavusana ke manje ayintwana mina sengigrade la yenza ibranch yakho sala kanje register nawe iba nabantu bakho nawe uyavuka naye makavuka uyovusa omunye nalo uyovusa omunye kuthi manje is my vision ke leyo ukuthi
vision ke leyo
yeah
by so doing mawucabanga i-vision yakho izo achieve which goal? I-destination yale vision yakho yini?
I don't know any question. That's right. A nice question. I-goal lami ukuthi manje yonke into yami engiyenzayo nale engiyifisayo kumele ngiyenze ngathini 120%. Kusho ukuthi mawuzothi ngokufakela isilingi leyo ceiling le ngiyenze ukuthi nakusasa lo umuntu ozofika eJoshua leyo banje simudayi uzolo
uza kahle
uyangithola
yazi i-destination ye-vision yakho kuzoba yini? Uzobe ureduce i-crime, uzobe ucreate umsebenzi for the disadvantaged, more especially those who have criminal records. Mangukumamele u-unfolda i-story sakho na the way unyathela ngakhona manje.
Yeah.
Uyobe usize kakhulu ekhantrini ebugebengwini. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nalabo sale wabahlukumeza abachana babo abobhru babo kuthi nabo bangasizeka ubaqashe nabo.
One of the good days.
Yeah, baze bazosebenza. By so doing, you will be paying your dues on bad things that you did to the society. Wabona umuntu abulala abantu arape bese uNkulunkulu amenze umfundisi ayotshela abantu ngoJesu
abaprofeti abakhomba abasindile.
Kusho ukuthi lo muntu ubhadala lezono lezi azenzile. So wena ke iyokusiza uyobhadala izono lezo zenzile ngalama construction to offer your skills to the people of the country.
Noma kanjani.
Siyabonga Zoroman. I remember my first play that I wrote. There was a character called Zorro. uZorro bengimenze iBig 5. Triple T, yimi Triple T eplayini yami. uMapondo bekadlala uSporo Mangena, uSkhaleni. After the former actors, extended actors. uZorro yilo masifika etrial eSun City. Bekasibamba inkunzi bengimenze iBig 5. So legama leli ngiyalazi vele lahambisana nobugebengu. So your last message. Sayivala manje. Ayikho into engapheli. Sayivala yini into ofuna ukuyisho ongayishongo esenhlizweni yakho.
Into engifuna ukuyisho and eziningi mara ngeke ngithole isikhathi. Okunye engingakusho yilo. Yabona since ngizela kuwe. Somewhere somehow nami nokuthi mangihleli ngibheke that broadcast. Ngisho ukuthi la into eso ngikhulumile and ayenzeki into eso ngiyanceda lana la. Namanje ngicela ukukhuluma. Yazi masisikanje sikhuluma kanje. Esifundisa abantu ababhaya. Nalo ngamcabanganga ukuthi umuntu uyibhekile this thing manje. Uyilalele noma ngikhuluma nawe kanje uyilalele. Yazi ezinye izinto kumele ukuthi masikhuluma nabantu sifundise and not goes to the details esibuya kizo ezibad. Now we are outside.
Yeah. Sise Africa.
Singaphandle. So masingaphandle kanje ezinye izinto ezibad esibuya kizo akumelanga siz trick out.
Yeah.
Because of what? You're gonna take someone that is good and make him bad.
Yeah. Akumelanga sis emphasize, sis articulate, sis elaborate. Actually akumelanga sis glorify. Yes.
Kube ngathi proud ukuthi wena
uya No. We are not. People mustn't misinterpret.
Uyayibona into enjalo. Yabona this
The
thing.
gospel we preaching, crime doesn't pay. Prison is hell.
Noma kanjani.
No bed of roses in prison. Don't go to prison. We've been there for you not to go there. But in the beginning, we didn't go there intentionally. It was unintentional.
Esingazi ukuthi ekugcineni kanti kunzima so.
Yes.
Ngoba abantu manje sebayikhuluma ngathi it's a hotel.
Yeah, it's a fashion. Isiboshwa esiphume ejele siba yi-celebrity. Sithola ama-platform. Ngeke ngawuzwa one of the youth a complain on a radio station ati la eSouth Africa baglorifya igebengu. Asithola ama-opportunity okuyesikolweni singaphandle. But amabhanditi bafika ngaphakathi bafundela ubudokta. Baphume bama-intellectual. Ayikho njalo. Ithi siyilungise. Sifika sifunde lapha ngoba sesizisola. Sesibonile ukuthi sidlale ngesikhathi. Kanti wena ke ongakaze wanyathela lapha. Funda kusasemanje. Akudingi ukuthi uyojika lapha. Uziyoprove ipoint. No. Funda manje. Mama qala manje ukuthengisa inupi juice sama manje. 1 month to go. Thengisa ama nostro lapha nerobotini. Oya ejele wena mawuqala. Makabuya uyokuthola une supermarket
eyakho. Uyayibona ke manje.
So don't waste time. Ngitshele ke ngabe siactile ke thina singayanga ejele ke singathana
nje. Hayi manje where are you?
Ngabe manje kwenzakalani?
Akule
yabo.
Ejele unokufuna umthunzi akunamthunzi ejele
Yeah,
la ilanga ubona manje lishisa kanjani.
you have a right to go out or walk in the street, uyojika stop sign, uye kuphi. Edanyani ilanga uyalithenga.
Kunzima chepisi just
Ukuthela ilanga you pop out money to bask in the sun if you don't know.
sinoma ubani uzuma
Abo clever kuphela abawothela ilanga. Kuya ngokuthi ubani lapho.
yayibona ke
Yeah, unokhalela nje yazi unukele ibhatha nje isinkwa esinebhatha nje ismell sesinkwa nebhatha nje or unukelwe icoke.
into easy nje
La ngaphandle icoke ungageza ngayo usithele ngayo kanje.
lapha kunzima nokuthi uthole the simple thing oziwisha ukuthi ungazithola.
Yeah.
Uyangithola.
Yeah.
So that thing singayithatha ukuthi prison is like ngathi
It's a university.
yeah, le say University of Life. If angafunda ngejela kukhona ufunda khona.
Ziyabuya lapha.
Ziyabuya lapha ziyaphenduka lapha indoda iyazimela.
Thina sinje ngoba we gave ourselves a second chance.
And ijele lazimchazelana. Liyakulola.
Yeah.
Lokukhipha wena ubuntu bakho
Yeah.
ukuthi wena
Like exposure.
ubani.
Yeah.
Mawuzeng if you are going to be bad, you're gonna be a bad more.
Aye.
Wena kuye ngawe ukuthi wena ufunani empilweni. Lokho kufuna uzokuthola.
Mr. Nicky Manzini, thank you for coming, my brother.
Ngiyabonga mfowethu.
Sizogeza legama lakho, sizo nelisela abantu base South Africa. And a podcast liyayibhekela abantu base South Africa kuphela. Nase Dubai yafika. Nase USA YouTube phela it's worldwide.
Yeah, and mawusho kanjalo umntwana sendlini kunala asebenza khona ibonwe yilo mfazi womlungu.
Yeah.
Wa complain lo mfazi womlungu. Wathi azinibonile ubhuti wakho ku broadcast.
Yeah.
But lapha ku broadcast asibengifuna ukuzwa yonke into lo bhuti wakho ayikhuluma. Why you don't write
The translations.
the translation? Yazine.
Yeah, no, we'll work on that. We'll work on that. That will be the progress.
Ngabona lapho ukuthi esan this thing must is big.
Yeah, ukuthi nje angifuni ukwenza ama guest wethu uncomfortable. People are comfortable when they speak their mother tongue.
Thank you. Kunjani.
Yeah, so apology to that. But we'll work on that progress. That's another next level of this podcast. Subscribe to this podcast. Get informed, get educated, get motivated. Get a life coach. Get information. Yes, by so doing, you're doing a great job. Each one teach one and each one teach all.
Thank you.
Podcast for the people, by the people. When you support this podcast, you are supporting yourself in all aspect and perspective, all point of view and all angles. Today you might not be a victim, but somebody in your family might be the victim because of lacking this information. It takes a community to groom a child. Umntwana ukhuliswa isizwe. Umntwana akho angaba clean, abe cheese boy, angajontshi, angabhema ama drugs. Mara makuzobhema owakho will be a victim. Ngoba owamela athole le mali ama drugs and uzoyithola kulo wakho.
Ora gcina mfake naye babhema kuyithu.
So ukusebenzisana sibe yimbumba sibambane. It's a motto. Together we shall overcome. Thank you, my friend. Get your professor. Chip him my orange.